everyone, this is Jyotika and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I would like to show you my Sunday lunch. So I basically had a very basic Assamese meal that day along with the elephant apple fish curry, or more popularly known in Assam as Otengar Masor Torkari. So if you are in Assam or in Assamese, I'm sure you know how popular this recipe is and how delicious it tastes. So this particular ingredient or this particular veggie is predominantly found in northeastern parts of India, and it's also found in most of the Southeast Asian countries like Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and so on. And it has lots and lots of medicinal properties in it. And the best part is, if you want to cook it, you do not have to put a lot of ingredients in it. You just have to put a little bit of salt and turmeric and that's it. Your delicious recipe will be done. So without much ado, let's get into the video. Please stick to this video to the end of it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And yeah, let's get into the video. guys. So if you find this elephant apple or a child ducking it around your corner or in your local market, please give it a try. I'm sure you will love it. And also please subscribe to my channel and give a big fat thumbs up to this video if you like it.